Alright, so you want a note-taking app that's more than just a digital notebook. Maybe something that helps you plan your life, run your side hustle, and remember where you put your 2023 goals. That's where tools like Anytype or Notion come into play. They're both super powerful, but in very different ways. Let's break it down in this video. First up, we've got Notion. Notion is basically the Swiss Army knife of productivity apps. Docs, databases, project boards, you name it. Notion can probably do it. One Capterra user called it the only app I love and hate at the same time. It's flexible, sleek, and integrates with tons of tools like Slack, Google Calendar, and Zapier. But that flexibility comes at a cost: overwhelm. Trustpilot reviews mention the dreaded blank page syndrome and occasional slowdowns with larger pages. Now, Anytype. It's like Notion's privacy-obsessed cousin. Local first, encrypted, no internet required. Some users on G2 love the ownership aspects. One reviewer said, "I finally feel like my data is mine." That said, it's not as polished or integrated yet, and there is a steeper learning curve. But for people who want full control of their digital world, Anytype is a dream. You want to talk ease of use? Notion wins. More intuitive and way better onboarding. Features and customization? Notion wins again. It's more flexible for teams and workflow building. Anytype has powerful features, but it's more for solo thinkers who love structure. Pricing? Notion has a solid free plan and paid tiers. Anytype is free. For integrations, Notion's the king. Anytype is still working on it. So what's the verdict? If you want sleek, collaborative, all-in-one powerhouse, go with Notion. If you value data privacy, offline access, and a more personal system, Anytype's your winner. Both are brilliant, as I told you, but it depends on how your brain works and what kind of control you want. Now hit this like button if this video helped you, and tell me in the comments, are you team Anytype or team Notion? See you all in the next video.